Got a really loud ENHYDRO from the Honey Hole 3.0. This is Colleen's geode. She's actually got two, so we're going to do them back to back. This is from 1.2 and in Honey Hole. So super loud ENHYDRO. Even though the geode's got a lot of water, I feel like in it, it's not that heavy. And then I'm going to have my film assistant, before we crack this geode, just to point out the bucket is dry. So all the water that will be in this bucket will be from this geode. Let her rip, John. Go a whole bunch. Just keep going. There you go. Alrighty. Man, the floor's soaking wet. My paint's wet. Oh my goodness. The marcasite and the pyrite is off the charts. They're inside the calcite. Now I'm going to swing this around in better light. And my camera assistant will film this real quick while we prep the next geode. And I am pretty confident, yes, I am seeing secondaries in that calcite. Nancy, you want to come back over slow so you don't make nobody dizzy, and we'll crack her second geode. Just swing around slow. All right, we got her 1.2 in there. Nice ENHYDRO again. Oh man, nice quartz flower blossom in there. And I do want to point out, I'd say there's many ounces of water in there. So not bad overall for other geode. What I like about it, it's just got a really nice quartz finger in there. And I do believe on the other side, yes, there is. My assistant will have to get in there and really zoom up on it. Beautiful calcite in there, super nice. .38 is our target. Yeah, guys, that's a really nice calcite. Did you go over that quartz finger again? I just think that quartz finger is beautiful. That's the calcite from the other geode. Go right and down. And then we'll finish up the video, get going down and go right. Yeah, and man, that quartz finger, I just think that's really pretty. Just like a little mountain, beautiful cave. Oh, it looks like there's a calcite in the back of that. Yeah, sure is.